Transforming hobby into profit.
Welcome to a blooming business adventures, transforming your rose hobby into a profitable rose bush enterprise.
Here we will be sharing step-by-step guide how to propagate and planting rose bush for maintaining profitable, specialized care for rose bush for maximizing your yields and profits.
Everyone, before we continue this exciting video, don't forget to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing, so there more people can see this video and transforming their rose hobby into a profitable rose bush enterprise. Everyone, in science, a rose bush is typically classified within the plant kingdom as part of the genus Rosa. Instead of its beautiful flowers, roses are often used as a model system for studying various aspects of plant biology. Roses come from diverse origins, but they generally thrive under the specific growing conditions. Now, I am starting to show you steps to propagate a rose bush from its parent's plant using the cutting method. Here are materials and tools that we need. First, parent rose bush cutting. Second, pot with potting mix. And thirdly, sharp pruning cutter. Everyone, you can also use rooting hormone if you want. And fourthly, we need transparent plastic bag. And 5, ties. And the last one is water. Prepare the parent rose bush. Select a healthy and robust parents for propagation. Pick a piece of rose branch from the pruning process. Cut several cuttings from this rose bush. Each cutting should be about 6 to 8 inches long and contain a few nodes. One that is not too old or too young. Clean the bottom of the branch. Cut the end of a rose cutting at flanks just below a node. And remove the lower leaves but leave the upper leaves intact. Trim the branch to around 10 to 15 centimeter length. Prepare the potting mix. Fill a pot with a good potting mix, such as a blend of potting soil and sand to ensure good drainage. Put soil in pot. Plant the cuttings into the potting mix, varying them to about half their length. Plant the branch in the soil around 5 to 7 cm
Ensure the
deep.
cuttings
are placed at a slant facing upward and press the soil around them to firm it. Water the cutting gently after planting until the soil is moist. Cover the plant with plastic up until halfway up the pot. Covering the pot with transparent plastic or a plastic bag is to create a greenhouse effect and retain humidity. Put it under a shady area. Everyone, we need to place the pot in a shaded location with bright indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check to see if it has ground roots after 2 weeks. After a few weeks, you will notice root growth. This is what it usually looks like after 2 weeks. This may take several months for roots become long and strong. Now is the time to move it to an even bigger pot. So everyone, once the roots are long and strong enough, you can transplant the cuttings into a large pot or into your garden. Place it in a sunny area that is open.
Everyone, this is the result after a few weeks under the sun and in the open air. But we need to keep caring for our rose bush, including fertilizing, pruning, and proper watering. Everyone, now you can transforming your rose hobby into millions of new rose bush plants using this method and get a profitable rose bush enterprise. For maintaining our profit, we need to keep caring for our rose bush, including fertilizing, pruning, and proper watering. Here is how to care for a rose bush. Choose a sunny location with well-drained soil. Roses prefer at least 6 hours of direct sunlight every day. Roses need regular deep watering. Give water at the base of the plant. Avoid wetting the leaves, which can lead to disease. Watering in the morning is best to allow foliage to dry before evening. Feed your rose bush with a balanced rose fertilizer or organic option like compost. Fertilize in the early spring as new growth begins and again in late spring. Follow the package instruction for the right application rate. Pruning is important for shaping the bush and encouraging new growth. Prune in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the rose. This is important to maintain even soil temperature and reduce weed growth. Keep an eye out for common rose pests, and this is like black spot and powdery mildew. You can choose disease-resistant rose varieties to reduce the risk. In cold climates, protect your rose bushes in winter by mulching the base of roses. Covering them with a layer of soil or straw. This helps prevent winter damage. Ensure proper spacing between rose bushes to allow for good air circulation, which reduces the risk of disease. Depending on the type and size of your rose bush, you may need to provide support with stakes or trellises. Everyone, the specific care requirements may vary depending on the variety of rose you are growing. Finally, by following these steps, you can successfully propagate a rose bush from its parent plants using the cutting method. Everyone, I hope this video benefit for us to produce more beautiful rose bushes and transforming your rose hobby into a profitable rose bush enterprise. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you in the next one.